there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and corn shucker. A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list. Today, our food stylist Anna is making a quick side salad. Cutting the cobs horizontally means the kernels won't fly all over. Chives have a sweet, oniony flavor that the corn totally loves. Fresno chilies are spicy-ish, sort of like a jalapeno. To make all the ingredients work, we're calling in brown butter. Frying the chilies helps them crisp and infuses the butter too. As those milk solids get darker, their flavor gets deeper. Just look how happy the corn is. And that's corn salad in 3 ingredients. Let's eat.